Welcome back, guys. So I want to create my first post on Google Blogger, and to do that, all you have to do is to be on the post menu, and you're going to click on new post. So I've worked on some content. This is the content I've worked on, and I'm going to use this content to create a new post. So what I want to do now is to copy and paste this. All I have to do is copy. I've written it. I'll show you how to write content as well, but basically right now I'm just showing you how to post for free. And right now we're going to come back to our blog, and we're going to try to create a new post with that content. So I'm going to click on new post. Make sure your menu is on post, and here it's our dashboard for creating a post. So here, right here, I'll paste the contents I have. I'm going to paste it right here, and here we have all these. So this is the contents right here. I'm going to paste it. So yes, I'm going to try to edit the post, and here we have our post. Then the title of the post, which would be "Who are indie hackers? A guide for solopreneur and entrepreneur." So this is the whole content from here. So I'm going to try to just edit them. So basically, to edit is very easy. I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to bring this to the title, of course. So this will be the title. So "Who are indie hackers?" That's the title, straight up. And what I want to do now is to make sure the post looks good. So you could easily edit them. You could just say the term indie hacker has become synonymous with innovation and self-reliance. But who exactly are indie hackers, and why are they an essential part of the online business ecosystems? Yes, I'm going to just start this way. I'm going to leave. So you could easily edit whatever you're doing, and you could see we have the bullet points, and everything you need to format is right here. You see your bullet point right here. You could format just the same way you format basic documents. You could easily format. The layouts are very simple. The dashboard looks so simple and okay, as you could see right here. So we're going to have all these, and here we have the article. We just posted it for free. And one thing you can do again is that you can check out how to see all these, and look at this. You could choose to make it a viewer, like kind of GUI, like graphical user interface, when you are designing. But you could actually design your blog post with a code as well. If you are used to HTML, you could check this out to design your blog post. And what I want to do, I want to delete some things we see here. So from what I posted, there are some things that came with it. As you could see, these two things came with it, so I want to remove them, and that way I just remove them straight up. So yes, we have something like this, and this is the last word. So I'm going to just come to the HTML view to remove that. And as you could see, is a div class. The last word says hashtag bill actions, if you remember. So all you all have to do is to locate the last word, and here it is. I just located the last word right here. So what I want to do now is to remove all this from here. I will remove all this from here. So let me just remove that, and let me just see what it's going to be like. So it saves automatically, as you could see. So changes saves automatically. So I'm going to come to compose view to see if that has been removed. As you could see, it has been removed. And I'll add an hashtag just to track my blog later for SEO. So I'll just add a simple hashtag, and there we have it. So right now we've created the post, and we'll talk about formatting post and all that in the content session. I'm just showing you how to create a post, and right here you could preview what your post would look like. So you could choose to preview it, and when you choose to preview it, you're going to see what the post would look like right here. So see what the post would look like with the current templates we have, and the post is not looking bad at all with the current templates we have. So you could check that out and see what we have here. You could see we have basically all these. So what I want to do now, I can choose to format it the way I want. I could choose to bolding this. I'll just bolding it, and you could change your text style to like major heading, heading, subheading, minor heading, paragraph, normal, and all that. Yes, so you could do all that. So we have all this basically. And here in the labels, you have to create labels. Labels are used to segment your post. And here, this particular label, I'll just give it articles. Yes, I just want it to be an article. So it's going to be articles. And yes, we're going to have this as a label right now. And here you're going to see publish, the date you publish. You could backdate, you could just leave it the way it is. And here you see your permalink. Your permalink says how you get to custom your link. So you see what your link looks like, and you could try to edit it a little bit if you want to, just for SEO reasons. You could make sure you customize your permalink and just leave it like that. You could make the location and just simple location for people to search, and you could check your options. So you could allow comments, you might not allow, do not allow hide existing, do not allow show existing. So something like that you could allow or not allow. And you could always come back to edit your post, but you could easily publish your first post, and right there I'm going to publish. But right now our post is not having any image, which is not so good. So what we're going to do now is that we can apply an image. So you could just come this way, you could just do something like this, and maybe somewhere here you could input an image in between. So you could look for an image that talks about indie hacking. So you say indie hacker, and let's look for an image we could use. So I'm going to just come to images and look for a nice image to use. So you could just see something like this, and we have something like this. So you could just go down and look for indie hacker. So look for something that would just indicate that someone is an indie hacker, something like that. So let me just go through and see what I have. So far so good. So we have a lot of images. So let's choose something like this. This is not looking bad at all as an image you use to represent what an indie hacker is. So yes, we could use this, or we could choose something like this. So this is basic, of course. So all I have to do now is to choose this, or you choose something like this. So there are a lot of images you could choose from. So yes, let's choose this. I love this. So I'm going to save this image from Google. I'm going to save this, but I can only save it in AVIV file. So what I want to do now is just to amplify this. So I'm just going to amplify this. Of course, I'm going to amplify it and see what to do. So I'll just snip it and have it. So yes, I'm going to just come here. I came to the repost, and let me try and save the image. I could easily copy the image. Let me see if I can copy the image. I could come here to paste what I copied. Let's see if it will paste. So I can say paste. So it's going to paste the image, hopefully. Let's see if that becomes posted, but it didn't post the image. Okay, yes, so our image just got posted, as you could see, and you could choose to make it bigger. So I could say extra, I could say large, and I could make it extra large. Yes, so we have something like this as an image so far. So I'm going to just preview it again and see what it looks like. So let me just preview it again and see what the blog post looks like right now. So when you check it out and you have things like this, so you see your indie hacker, you see the image here, which is not looking bad. So you could come back here to paste, you could change the odds, you could change the settings, you could give it an odd text, you could give it a title text and all that. But basically, let's just leave it like this and try to publish what we have. As you could see, we labeled these articles, so we're going to just leave it like that. I'm going to publish this right away. So I'm going to confirm my post, and right there I just published a post, and this can be accessed for free. Like I said, you can blog for free on Google Blogger. So right now we just created a free post, and you could share the link out, people could start viewing the post. So how do you view your post? So you could see, you could edit, you could revert to draft, you could apply labels to this post, you could try to apply more labels, you could delete the post, you could see the views, and you could see Pillar Tech Academy right here. So what I want to do now, you could share the post if you want to. So when you click on share, you're going to see the link to the post. You could share the post and do the basic things you needed to do. So you could share the link, and you could just leave it at that. You could change your author view, but just leave it like that. And you could manage your post right here from here, basically. So this is how to create content. You can create more content and more content. Since this particular blog will be about tech, we're going to create more tech content. But right now we just created one, and if you want to view it, you could just open this link in a new tab, and you'll be able to view your post. You'll be able to edit it. But let's view the blog and see what the blog looks like, so we can see what the post looks like. So now with content, look at what the blog looks like. This is it. You have Who Are Indie Hackers, a guide for solopreneurs and technopreneurs. So you see, like, by Pillar Tech Academy, the time indie hacker, you just see basic things, and yeah, that's the only post we have. So you could create more posts, and your blog will take shape But we could talk more and more about this. As you can see, this is just articles. You see the label here, so you could have more labels. So I would only advise you a post should have one label, and so that you don't have your label stuffy. So it keeps your post arranged, and you can always edit the posts. You can always iron them in categories. So basically, we just created a post. We could create more and more and more. We keep writing, but right now I just showed you how to create a free blog, and here we have one. So this is a free blog, and our free blog is functioning right now. So people could come here to read a post, as you could see, and you could copy this. This will be your post. This will be the post, the link to the post. You could copy this and paste it anywhere you want to paste it. You could paste it on WhatsApp. You could paste it anywhere you want to paste it. So people could start accessing it. So when you come, I'll try to access my Twitter page. I'll try to share, but I won't share it because I don't want to share that until I create it, until I make it custom. So I'm going to just come this way. I'm going to paste this, and here we have a blog post, and this is the link to the blog post. So creating a blog post is as simple as that, and we just created a blog post. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. And this is a free blog, of course. We just created a blog post for free. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.